you told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong.
Hello good people, today we're going to be making celeriac chips or celery root fries for those of you in the United States. I have mine here. To peel celeriac, simply slice off the base on each side. You can keep the stalk to use in smoothies or salads. Mine is dry, so I'm just going to ditch, but don't discard yours in case they're still fresh. Just keep them aside for use later. Once you have a flat base, you want to use your knife to slice along the side from top to the bottom. Alternatively, you can cut your celeriac in two and then just peel it like that. That way you have a smaller surface to work with. Once you're done with peeling, you just want to clean them. And then we're going to slice into fries or chips. So to do this, just quarter and then cut each small quarter into smaller pieces and proceed on to cut them. A common question: is celeriac and celery root the same thing? And the short answer is no. While both belong to the same plant, here celery basically refers to the stalk and the leaves part of the plant. It is popularly known because of its wide usage in making smoothies and juices or even in salads. Celeriac or celery root, on the other hand, refers to the root part of the plant. It has many uses. You can use it in making stews, casseroles, chips or fries, as we are doing in this recipe. Use it the same way you would use mashed potatoes, and the list goes on. Depending on how hungry you are and the size of the celery root, I would say you can feed 3 to 4 or 5 people with it. It is also low carb and keto friendly. You only get 5.9 grams of carbs per 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of celeriac, 0.3 grams of fat, and just a meager 42 calories, making it a healthy vegetable that you can incorporate in your meals. So I'm done cutting them, and here comes the fun part: seasoning them. I like to keep my seasoning simple, and so I have here 1.5 teaspoons of paprika and a teaspoon of salt.
Still I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
And obviously, if you are on the keto or low carb diet, then pay attention to the spices you choose, just because of the net carb count. And then I'm just going to add in the cooking oil. Obviously, you want to use low carb or keto friendly cooking oil such as olive oil if you are on a low carb diet. When it comes to cooking, you can either deep fry them or bake them in the oven or air fry them, but I'm going to show you how to make them in the oven. Since we're using the baking method, you then want to transfer the seasoned fries to a lined baking tray. And you basically want to take care not to overcrowd them, because if you do, they will not crispen up properly, and that is not what we want. So next, you just want to bake the chips for 30 to 35 minutes or until done and crispy on the outside.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.